Hello everyone, let's talk about how to improve carton strength using Pacorr's Box Compression Tester. Are your cartons strong enough to survive staking, storage and shipping? If not, you could be losing products and profits. Let's show you how to fix that using Pacorr's Box Compression Tester. Step 1. Understand your carton's current strength. Test the compression strength of your current carton. Pacorr's Box Compression Tester applies vertical pressure to measure how much load your box can really handle. Step 2. Analyze the results. Get real-time data on peak load and deformation. If your box fails below the acceptable wear hold, it's time to improve your design or material quality. Step 3. Adjust material or design. Use the test data to increase board grade, improve flute structure, or redesign your box for better weight distribution. Small changes can significantly boost strength. Step 4. Retest for accuracy. After every design or material change, run a retest using the box compression tester. It ensures your changes actually deliver stronger, more reliable cartons. Step 5. Meet international standards. Pacorr's machine complies with global standards like ASTM D642 and ISO 12048, helping you meet both national and international packaging requirements with confidence. Final benefits recap. With Pacorr's Box Compression Tester, you get accurate testing, reduced product damage, and stronger cartons that perform under pressure. Ready to improve your packaging performance? Trust Pacorr's Box Compression Tester to deliver strength, safety, and success. Visit pacorr.com and you can call us 888-214-9230.